Here we go, example number 4 on linear functions, assignment 19, folks. All right, build the equation of a line that satisfies the given information. All right, and so we want this line to pass through the point -6, 4 and have a slope of 2/3. So let's just go to the recipe here. The equation of a line is y equals some number times x plus some other number, mb. Here we go again. Find m, find b. That's the way I think we should do this. All right, now, sometimes it's easy to overthink things. We talked about finding ordered pairs, 2 ordered pairs. They only gave us 1 ordered pair. What in the heck? There's no 2 ordered pairs here. So the question is, how am I going to find the slope? And I guess the answer to that, the snotty answer to that would be read. Because look, it told us over here that the slope of this line they want is 2/3. They gave it to us. Let's not think too much on this one.
That was easy.
That was easy. Read the question. So I didn't put in my notes, find slope. Sometimes they give it to you. All right? If they give it to you, take advantage of that. So the 2/3 would be our slope, and therefore that would go right there. I'm going to use that blank for the fraction bar. Wasn't that smart? So our slope is 2/3. How? Yeah, they gave it to us. Thank you, whoever did this. So y equals mx plus b. So we go on, let's find b. And just like the last example, watch these in sequence, guys. I try to put them in order so that they build off each other. But wouldn't we take that slope of 2/3 that they were kind enough to give us and put it in for m? We're looking for b. Where do we get a pair of numbers for x and y? Oh, the ordered pair. There. That's where that becomes useful information, necessary information. So wouldn't we put 4 in for y, and we would put -6 in for x, and then we solve for b, right? So on this one, you'd want to multiply that m with that b, with that x value, and by the way, -6 is -6 over 1. So this is just arithmetic. That's going to be -12 over 3. That's -4. That's arithmetic. Multiplying that fraction. Remember, the -6 is -6 over 1. Right? Numerators, denominators. That's -12 over 3, which is -4. Add the 4 over. Turns out that b would equal 8. You come over here and you plug in 8 for b. There it is. All right, there's your equation. Now, as mentioned earlier, once the equation has been built, then graphing it should be an easy thing, because we would simply now say, well, let's get a beginning point here. A beginning point. B, that number sticking on the end. The smartest thing to do if you want to get an ordered pair for most graphs is to plug 0 in for x, right? That should be an easy ordered pair to discover. And if you put 0 in for x, isn't 2/3 times 0 going to equal 0? Y equals 8. That there number sticking on the end is going to give you your beginning point every time. All right? So the order pair is 0, 8. X is 0, 0, right? X, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our beginning point. And then our slope is that there number in front of the x, 2/3. And that's going to be rise 2 and run 3. So up 2 and to the right 3 from that ordered pair, from that beginning point, up 2 to the right 3. Second point, draw a line, we're done. All right, so hopefully that was a pretty simple one. It was nice of them to give us the slope, wasn't it? All right.